Now you can say goodbye to damp and damaged hair. Powerful dual motors and ionize dry hair twice as fast and prevent hair damage. With Blaster Pro, your worries will be blasted away twice as fast. The world's most powerful dual motor hair dryer, Blaster Pro.
Drying your hair isn't so simple when you've got a busy day. Not only is it time-consuming, but hair dryers can also damage your hair. We've made it our mission to solve this problem. We've manufactured and sold over 10,000 conventional hair dryers while researching ways to improve on the standard design, but power limitations proved to be a constant hurdle. But then we saw stylists use 2 hair dryers at once to blow dry a client's hair, and we were instantly inspired. What if we put 2 motors in 1 hair dryer? And that was the start of Blaster Pro. 1 hair dryer with the power of 2.
Blaster Pro is equipped with strong dual BLDC motors, reach speeds of over 65 miles per hour, twice the speed of the average hair dryer. Blaster Pro is like drying with 2 hair dryers at once, so now you can dry your hair in half the time. Blaster Pro comes with 3 wind speed options. Level 1 and 2 use only the main motor. Once you turn it up to level 3, now you're using both motors for maximum power. Air from the upper motor is non-heated, so you won't need to worry about burning and damaging your scalp. Use the Cool Shot trigger to instantly change from hot to cold air. Cold air comes out right away, so there's no need to stop and wait while you dry. Blaster Pro is designed to minimize hair damage. Negative ions from the ionizer put a stop to messy hair, neutralizing any hair static and preventing hair damage. Blaster Pro is equipped with 2 motors, but weigh as much as any normal hair dryer. Blaster Pro uses a balanced T-shaped design that minimizes the burden on the wrist, even over long periods of use. Plus, its thin design makes it easy to store in a bag or suitcase, so you can take Blaster Pro with you anywhere. With a name like Blaster Pro, you may be surprised to hear that it's no louder than any conventional hair dryer. Blaster Pro uses a specifically designed 13-blade bit